बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। वेलकम टू टी फॉर तलीम के यूट्यूब चैनल और फेसबुक पेज पर आप सबको खुश आमदीद। नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ ओशनोग्राफी, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, क्लिफ्टन कराची में मुलाजमत के वसी मौक़े। ये सीरियल वाइज आप सबको मैं बताता हूँ। सीरियल नंबर 1 पे रिसर्च ऑफिसर PPS 7, सैलरी ₹90,000 per month, number of post is 1 and qualification for research officer is MSc BS physics candidate, preferable having experience in physical oceanographic process study involved in tide, wave and modeling based data and results analysis. Maximum age for research officer is 35 years. Serial number 2, account officer PPS 7, salary ₹90,000 per month. MBA MCom is the qualification for account officer candidate, preferable with working as project DDO and manage the audit requirements as well as supervise the project account related activities. Maximum age for account officer is 35 years. Serial number 3, GIS analyst. PPS 7, salary ₹90,000 per month. Number of posts for GIS analyst is 1. Qualification for GIS analyst MSc BS Geography, Remote Sensing and GIS. Candidate preferable having experience in satellite data analysis, achieve maps, digitization and GPS surveys data retrieval. Maximum age for GIS analyst is 35 years. Serial number 4, computer programmer. Qualification for computer programmer is MCS BS Computer Science IT. Candidate preferable with experience in networking, telemetric link monitoring, data retrieval and computer applications development. Maximum age for computer programmer is 35 years. Serial number 5, super surveyor PPS 6, salary ₹60,000 per month, post 1. Qualification for super surveyor DAE graduate, candidate preferable with experience of land and sea surveys. Maximum age for surveyor is 35. Serial number 6, accountant. Qualification for accountant is MCom BCom. Candidate preferable having experience to monitor and manage financial workload. Maximum age for accountant is 35. Serial number 7, office assistant BA BCom. Candidate preferable having experience to monitor and manage administrative workload. Maximum age for office assistant is 35 and salary of ₹40,000 per month for office assistant. Serial number 8, driver PPS 1, number of posts 2, salary ₹16,000 per month. Qualification for driver is educated with driving license, LTT, LTV and HTV. Maximum age for driver is 45. Terms and conditions for application and other details, please visit NIO website www.niopk.gov.pk. Degree certificate must have obtained from HEC recognized institutions. Application submitted by hand will not be entertained. The upper age relaxation shall be given as per federal government rules. Those already in government service must apply through proper channel. No TADA will be admissible for test interview. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for test interview. Government employee may apply for project posts. However, if any government employee is selected on a project post, he will have to resign from government service before appointment on project post. The project employee will be appointed on contract basis in PSDP projects for an initial period not exceeded 2 years, which will be extendable further till the completion period of the project on yearly basis after evaluation of their performance. Applications on prescribed format without documents. Documents will be required at the time of interview. Must reach at Administrative Officer, National Institute of Oceanography, NIO, ST 47, Block 1, Clifton, Karachi, within 15 days of publications of this advertisement. No additional facility in addition to the revised standard pay package shall be admissible for PSDP project employees. Administrative Officer, telephone number 02199251174, and announcement date for this vacancy is 6 January 2021 and last date to apply is 20 January 2021. Thanks for watching and share with your friends.